down a hidden report that most people don't know exists that's going to allow you to remove that collection, that charge off, that bankruptcy, that eviction, those student loans with late payment, child support, repossession. It doesn't matter what's on your report. It's going to allow you to remove those accounts off your reports once you have access to this report. And let me break it down. How you get access to this report? Go to hiddencreditreport.com. Once you go there, you're gonna it charges you $1 and you can get access to this report. Now, once you log in, right, either on your phone or your computer, you're gonna click on 3B, like at the top, it's gonna say reports, and you want to click on 3B reports and scores. And once you click on that, there should be a button that says switch to classic view. Once you click on that switch to classic view button, right? Then once you go to switch to classic view, then you're gonna have all your accounts on your report. Now find the negative accounts that's holding your credit score back. All right. Now, once you find this is just an example, once you find a report that holds your credit score back, now what you want to do is leverage all this information to be able to use against Experian, against TransUnion, against Equifax, because this information is going to be able to help you get that account off your report. And we're not talking about if the account belongs to you. We're talking about how it's being reported, which is going to give you the ability to remove it off your report. All right. Now, all these details matter because it's supposed to be reported correctly. Now, I want you to look up this specific law. 15 USC 1681 EB. 15 USC 1681 EB. That specific law states Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and any other consumer reporting agency that is reporting information about you has to assure maximum possible accuracy. So what that means is the date open has to be the same exact date that's reported on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, right? The high balance has to be the same exact balance that's reported on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, right? Date reported has to be the same exact date that's reported on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, right? The close date has to be the same exact date that's being reported on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Also, last payment has to be the same exact date. The payment history has to be the same exact payment history. If it's not and it's reported incorrectly, guess what? That gives you the ability to increase your chances of getting this specific account removed from your report. So leverage the information, craft you a letter to remove that negative account off your report.